Welcome to Upper Providence Motor Unit. My name is Rob Solorio, Sergeant with the Township. We have two Harley-Davidson motorcycles that are in the unit, 2015 and a 2005. We have 4 motorcycle operators that run with the unit. Mainly our main goal with the motorcycle unit is to respond quickly and get to areas where the patrol car can't usually get to. Our primary mission with the motorcycle unit is community events and responding to accident scenes on patrol, bike paths. We patrol the bike paths, neighborhoods, and shopping centers. On top of that, we have life-saving equipment on our motorcycle that can help with water rescues. We have inflatable life vests, and we have rope. We also carry a pretty extensive first aid kit that can respond. We have flares, and we also have door opening equipment. Our primary goal is to get there and render assistance and make sure the scene is secure before the patrol cars get there. All right, right now I'm going to show you a little bit of equipment, show you what's on this motorcycle. We do have our street lights that go around the motorcycle, all the way around, so we're able to be seen. We also have sirens. To be a motorcycle operator with the township, you have to go through an 80-hour extensive training with the Philadelphia Highway Patrol. There we're put through the test on high-speed braking and maneuvering, also slow and close obstacles that we have to negotiate through. We have to demonstrate and become proficient on those skills. We have to take a practical and a written test at the end, and once you complete that, if you complete it, you're now a motorcycle operator. Every year we have to go back for a 3-day training to hone in those skills and to make sure that we still stay proficient. Okay, let's go for a little ride.